Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Mira from the K-pop Demon Hunters. So let's get started. To draw cute Mira, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, so now the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top right here and just spruce them up with a lash that goes up and just thicken it up. And same thing over here. And then we're going to draw her brows. So we're going to come up about right here and we're going to angle pretty high. So we're going to go up nice and high and then bring it down. And you know what, I'm going to try to thicken it up. It's using a Sharpie, but just a little bit. So hopefully I can color that in. Kind of this reddish pink color. So same thing here. Nice and high and then bring it down. There. And then let's give her a smirk smile. So about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve and then slightly go upwards a little bit more and cap it off because she's so cool, right? Okay, so now that we have that, we need to frame her face. So just to make it simpler, I'm going to, let's see here, let's say about right here in the eye. I'm just going to come right next to it. I'm just going to follow my example that I drew. So I know it's going to be about right here. I'm going to start her face. So let's say about right here, right next to it. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. And then I'm going to bring it down pretty low because she has a very long face. So I'm going to find my center and let's say about right here. With these 3 points, I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with this curve to give her a sharp chin right about here. And same thing here. There, nice and sharp. And then we're just going to imagine her face as an oval. So let's go up nice and high. So find my center, say about right here. I'll give myself another point. And this is where I'm going to go up for one strand. So I'm going to go up and then bring down this curve really close to her brow and her eye. And we're just going to cut this part off. So same thing here. She has a strand, 2 strands of hair on the sides of her face. So get really close to her brow and her eyes. And back to that point. There. And then whatever space, so right about here, I'm just going to draw a curve to finish off her forehead. And then we're going to thicken this up. Pop it up and bring it down. And in. And same thing here. So I'm not going to finish this strand yet. I have to wait until I finish drawing her body so that I know how far to bring this down. But I'll just stop about right there. And then in this space right next to her eye, I'm going to draw her ear. So I'm going to pop that in. Same thing on the other side, right about here. Part of her ear in. And then we're going to go straight up about right here. and curve out on both sides. Come back here on this side where her ears are, and we're going to go up slightly, come down, angle this part a little bit, and then connect it. So same thing here, angle a little bit and then connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see, we need to draw her, what do you call this part right here? We're gonna put a little where her hair ties up, and pigtails, right? Not ponytail. We're gonna pop this out, and this part, and so let's bring this down, and about right here, I'm just gonna kind of tuck it in a little bit, and just finish that off later once again. So same thing on the other side. Go up. And this part, and a little detail if you like for her hair. And so now we can go ahead and finish off her body. So let's come right down here, give her a little neck right in the center, and we're going to come out for her shoulder. There. And then in this space, I'm just going to try my best to draw a little choker for her. Right there. It's so hard to see, so small. And then we're going to skip a little bit space. So it'll come down, let's say about right here, where her armpits would be. And I'm just going to draw 2 slightly angled lines out. So from there, we're going to draw her top. So let's come down to about here on both sides and then connect. So it's like a crop top, connect it with a slight curve. Come back up here for her collar, a curve, and then let's come back in, come in a little bit, angle in for her waist. Then we're going to connect again, and we're going to start her skirt. So right about here, just pop this part out on both sides. Just bring it down a little bit more. About there, both, and connect it with a curve. There. Okay, so then from there, let's keep going. Before we draw in all the details, we're going to draw her legs. So this being my center, about right here, I'm going to go to the left a little bit, go to the right a little bit. And so this is where we're going to start her legs. I'm going to come out, her hip, about right there. And this part is going to be shorter because right here I'm going to cut it off with a slight angle line to draw her boots. Then I'm still going to continue this angle all the way down for her legs. And this is going to come down as well. So as we come down, we're going to get thinner and thinner. So let's say about right there. Then I'm going to start to bring it down to draw her feet. So let's flare this out. This part's going to be a little bit straighter. And connect. So same thing on the other side. Find this side's always a little bit easier to draw since I have something to follow now. So let's go ahead, following the same angle. There. Okay, so then for some details, let's come back kind of like where her knees would be, about right, let's just say about right here. I'm going to draw this little knee pad thing right here. Just a little bit closer to this edge. And then for some details, I'm just going to run some lines through it. And then right about here, I think there's this little detail here for some color. So same thing on the other side. There. And about here, just draw a little line for her sole of the shoe, the boot. And then we can go ahead and draw her arms. So right here, let's round it off. And she has these longer sleeves, longer short sleeves. So right about here, and we're going to flare it out. And when we come in, just gotta give it a little curve. Same thing here. About here. There. And then for her arms, we're going to have her hands on her hips, so about right here. Imagine her shoulders coming out towards this way. You're going to angle it in. And her hands. So let's just thicken it up. Then come down and a curve. So same thing over here. It's her armpit, shoulder. So we want the other hand to be about the same thing right about here. And thicken it up. And finger. And I believe she's wearing, oops, wearing some gloves. So I'll just kind of cut it off right here for some detail. And then on her top right here, if you like, there's this kind of shoulder pad thing going on right here. So I'll add that. And then there's these things dangling off of it. Right there. And then graphics wise, there's this kind of like mountain shape here. There. And then in this area right here, it has the words won't miss, but I'm not going to use my Sharpie because it's just going to be too complicated. But if you want to put that in there, just write that with like a dark pink color. And then from there, her skirt. So let's give her a waist. I mean, not a waist, a belt area right here. So two bands. And then a straight line down her skirt. Then right here, just some details. Just gonna add a pocket. And then there's this chain that I think is important to draw. So I'm just gonna put this right here. I know there's just so many details and I'm just trying to draw only the necessary ones because it's so complicated. Okay, so then let's go ahead and finish off her hair. So bring it down about here, maybe a little strand, and bring it in. And same thing here. And bring it in. And then let's just bring it down so we don't cut into her boots. And then just zigzag right there. Oh, and then of course we need to finish off her strand. I'm going to bring it as low as possible and finish it off. And same thing here. There. some details if you like. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully I haven't missed anything. And like I said, when you're coloring, you can put the words won't miss or just some lines in pink just to indicate that there's something there. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Mira from the K-pop Demon Hunters. I really hope you love how she turned out just as much as the ones I did of Rumi and Zoe. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.